Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to update Snapchat on iPhone. Usually the app will update automatically, but it may not always happen. If you ever need to update Snapchat manually, you can do it in the App Store on your iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open the App Store on your iPhone, and then tap on your account icon in the top right corner. Right here, I'm gonna click right now. And then if you have any available updates, they'll show up underneath the personalized recommendations button and above the list of apps that have updated recently. But we cannot find Snapchat right here. That means my Snapchat is already updated, so I'll check it first. I'll search the Snapchat apps on App Store. Yeah, my Snapchat is already updated, but if yours not yet, then tap the update button next to the app name if there is an update available. It's on the open place. So guys, just it a little tutorial from me. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video and good luck.